Like I was trying to tell y'all, man, the next time you heard that?
No.
Y'all be quiet. I could have swore I heard something, man. Like I was saying, next time. See, there it is, man. It's probably just some squirrels. Can you believe it? My light doesn't work. Let me go get my flashlight and see what's going on. Man, just make sure the next time y'all do that, y'all... Did y'all hear something?
No.
Are you sure? I swear I heard something. Make sure that... See, told you! Go! Shoot!